Alright, hello class. So I did some troubleshooting and I figured out why when we are downloading our videos to .wav files, they're not showing up in the discussion board. So a couple things. This is your song, it's completed. Instead of getting the download button, you're going to go over here to File. And then you're going to go down to Export. Okay, it's going to give you some options. The first one is Export Project to MP3 file. The second one is Export Project to WAV file. Canvas cannot read WAV files, so you have to go up and click here on the MP3. That will automatically save it to your computer. From there, you're going to go back into your post, and I already have mine open. You're going to click on that download or upload button again, and you'll click on it, and it should be in your recent downloads. Now make sure to check that it says this. See, that one's a WAV file, so that one's not going to work. That's an MP3. I'm going to click on that one, open it up, submit, and then once it loads, it should look like this. Okay, once you have that, then it should very effortlessly just play right in the video. Okay? Alright. Make those changes, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Can't wait to hear these recordings.